Call the number one time only. Platinum or gold? Six. 60. 30. 11. 40. 48. 67. 70. 51.
Bingo!
What's going on? 51.
Oh God, when I'm like, dang, I got all them damn cars. Need to win something.
If this is about a ticket, we'll play our strips next.
I got platinum or gold. 5044.
Valid.
We have 11,
11.
30,
30.
40,
40.
51,
Last.
and 70.
And 70. That's one valid. Are there any others? Any others?
Thank you, Eva.
Hearing seeing others, this game is closed with one winner. Your first strip will be with Party at
You had to get
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
And your first number.
20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 111.99. And for the double, 1, 2,
72.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double 11.99.
Tag.
Appreciate you.
60.
You're welcome.
First ball's up.
Oh.
42. 4. 47. 39. 16. 75.
58. I have 2 B's and an I left.
58. 62. 5. 68. 43. 37. 35. 49. 24. 19. 10. 73.
6, 74. Possible bingo.
Damn it. Oh, one number. 10. Yes, 10. I have 68. I have 69. Oh, 10. 65.
4733, second time around.
Valid serial number
16,
16,
43,
43,
37,
37,
74.
74 last is one valid part one. Any others? Any other bingos? Part one is closed with one valid winner. Progress on to part two for $500. Your next ball. 38,
No ends and no
33,
I don't have any. Yeah, no ends and no G's.
44,
Something's calling the ends and G's.
54, 34, 2.
Bingo!
Possible bingo.
Right 2.
Is that 12? I know, right? And then it's what, 14? 14 would set 55 again. Oh, I thought it was 14 in the corner. I don't got no 12s. I need 11.
I got 2. 4733.
Is that for both of them?
Both, yes.
Valid serial number.
First one, 2,
2 last.
6,
6,
47,
47,
54.
54 is 1.
Second one, 2,
2 last.
24,
24,
42,
42,
and 74.
74 is the second valid. Any others? Any other bingos? 52, G52.